Is tonight's family dinner going to be fattening? Chances are that you're going to feed your family a dinner that's going to make them fatter and rob their bodies of health-promoting nutrients. Now I know you do not mean to do that, but the fact is that 98% of all family dinners are loaded with enough bad fats, gluten, dairy, and cane sugar to promote metabolic syndromes that will increase fat storage, bloating, and a laundry list of other preventable diseases. Or you can choose any one of these 110 family-friendly fat-burning recipes and 8 weeks of wholesome and delicious menus and grocery shopping list to make all of your family meals and dinner healthy, tasty, and easy to prepare. Wholesome and fat-burning meals can be just as delicious than what you had planned to serve for dinner tonight. Try it out tonight and see for yourself. Real Healthy Recipe Chef Diana Kalyan has created 110 family-friendly fat-burning recipes and a complete 8-week menu for you and your family that are easy to prepare and they taste amazing. Best of all, she has put her new recipe book and menu on sale just for my friends and subscribers. So be sure to get it today while you still can. Click the link in the video description to get family-friendly fat-burning meals for a delicious dinner tonight.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to click the link below in order to find out more.